Okay, so by now you notice that this light turns on, but on the side here, these lights here and here are not getting brighter. They're staying the same. And it turns out that the bulb in here has two filaments. One filament stays on all the time, and the second filament turns on only when you apply the brakes. That's what makes it brighter. And I've been driving the car around for a while without realizing that one of the filaments has burned. So we're gonna open this up. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Just open it up like this. There's a port here that you can get a little screwdriver into and open that up. And there's a little port here, there, that you can open here as well. That one's almost coming out there with my finger. And you can see in there, there's a small screw that I would apply a socket wrench to and remove that. And then we'll get this whole assembly out. This entire thing comes out with some clips. Okay? So let's start with that. Get my toolbox here. And here's my socket wrench. Okay. You get that in here. Let's just make sure this is loosened. Okay. Okay, once it's loose, you can pretty much remove it with your finger, or you can use a small screwdriver to get it out like this. It just turns. It's got a little washer there too. That's fairly loose. Okay, it's out. And then on the top here, we'll just remove this, get under there. And you'll notice the same thing. Just get a socket wrench in here at a kind of an angle. Okay, that's already turning there. I can use a screwdriver for the rest of this. Just have to position it here. We'll zoom in. You can kind of see it there. Okay, it's almost out. Here. Okay, out. And now, with this one missing and that one missing, this thing kind of pops out like so. Okay, and that's the whole assembly here, and you can see the bulbs. Now these just unscrew. This happens to be the one with the brake light, so I'm going to just give it a twist and pull it out. And if I take this out now, let's just put this back for a second and look at the bulb. The bulb has two filaments, and if you zoom in here, you'll notice that thicker filament at the bottom, the smaller one, has a break in it. It's hard to see, but if you hold it at the right angle, there's a small gap, kind of right there, where you see the writing. And that's enough. I mean, it looks like it's intact, but it seems like that's enough to make it not work. And I did a continuity test across these leads here, and the filament that's straight without at the top here works, but the bottom one doesn't. So I went ahead and bought some replacement bulbs, and I'm going to stop the video for a second here, and I'm going to get those. I'm going to put that in. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side here. Open up these two, pull this whole thing out. Now it comes back in with these little clips. You'll notice there's these right there, plastic clip, white one. There's another one down there, and it just basically clips in. Now that one broke off, so I might stick it back into this side, but that's essentially how you get it back. Okay, it goes into this spot right there, so I'll put it back in there. Okay. I've put the replacement bulb in, and now I just want to show you the clips here. 1, 2, and 3 line up with the holes. And now we're going to just push this in. Okay, it's in. And that lines up with the hole there. And that lines up with the hole there. And now we screw it back together. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Okay, I unscrewed both of those from here again. And I haven't opened this up yet, so here we go. It feels loose. And just pry it off those pins here. Okay, I can hear it going. There we go. And it's out. And again, you can see the white clip there, and the 3 holes. And here we go again. It's the second one down here, sorry, right here. We'll turn it. Which way does it go? This one's a little more stiff. There we go. Okay. And can I see anything here? Yeah, again, it looks like it's intact, but here, let's zoom in. Once again, the top wire is intact, but the bottom wire looks like it's got a little bend in it or something, but it's all there. But it must be broken. See? There's like a tiny discontinuity right there. Doesn't matter. Anyway, the new bulb, which I'm gonna try not to touch with my fingers, because I don't know if it'll affect the when it heats up. But that's what a new one looks like. Okay, so we're gonna put that in place now, and same thing, we'll close it up and I'll test it out.
All right, here we go. We're gonna turn on the engine and try the brakes and see if the side lights get brighter.
All right, so that's it. Very easy, quick job to replace any of these bulbs. This one also should be pretty easy. There's a whole thing in there that just pops out. But yeah, I can't believe I've been driving around probably for years without these 2 side lights working, because I can't imagine them burning out exactly at the same time. I'm sure one went and then the other one went, and I had no clue, because when I looked at the car, it looked like the whole thing was lit up. Little did I know it has 2 filaments. But anyway, that's just a quick review of how to fix or change these bulbs. Very easy, 2-second job. And if you have an old car like this, should be probably something routine that you should be doing, because they do burn out occasionally. But I haven't changed these bulbs since I bought the car, which you can imagine it's been a long time. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.